Hello everyone! Today, I will walk you through the step-by-step process on how to reset your Marshall Acton III speaker. This will help fix any performance issues and also ensure that it is ready for potential sale. Let's begin! First, make sure that your speaker is properly connected to the power source, as it won't work without being plugged in. To charge the speaker, carefully take the charging cable, firmly connect one end to the designated port on the back of the speaker, and securely attach the other end to a power source. Now turn the speaker on. On the right side of the device, you can easily locate the power switch. Lower it down carefully. The speaker will emit an activation sound signal. And the red indicators will brightly light up next to all the functional buttons. To reset the settings on the device, we need to press the pause button located to the left of the power lever and hold it for approximately 15 seconds. This action will initiate the reset process and restore the settings. Press and hold. All the red indicators will first flash, you see the flashing, and then they will gradually go out. You can release the pause button once you have heard the corresponding sound, and the indicators lit up red again, which indicates that the reset process was completed successfully. Bluetooth icon flashing. To easily reconnect your phone or other device, navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your device and locate your speaker in the list of available devices. That's all. You will find more tips for your speaker in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe. This way, our channel will appear prominently in search results when you're looking for solutions and tutorials.